gotta run to catch the shuttle. Woo. What's up? Welcome to Camp Anna on Vacation, Walt Disney World edition. Going to Walt Disney World. Why aren't you excited?
I'm very excited.
Okay, good.
You know how excited I am? You have to check this out.
Got his DuckTales socks on.
Check out the DuckTales.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, so we are in the Delta Lounge, having some bubbly. Cheers. And waiting for our flight to board. And we're super excited because it's a red-eye flight and we got upgraded to first class, so we'll be super comfy. So yeah, we're heading to Orlando. We'll see you in the morning when we land in Orlando.
That's right.
Good morning from Orlando. We made it. It was a short 4.5 hours. I slept for maybe 2.5, but we're in Disney World, so it's okay. We're gonna head to the main terminal and grab an Uber and head to the hotel. So I have a cute story with these shuttles here. So the very first time I came to Disney World with my family, I was in the first grade, and we were walking up to the shuttle here to the terminal, and I got so excited, and I was like, "Mommy, are we in Disney World? This is it! Oh my gosh!" And I got so excited, and she was like, "No, sweetie, we're not even out of the airport yet." So it was really cute, really fun story. But now I gotta run to catch the shuttle. Woo. So first impression, the lobby's beautiful, and the trip here wasn't that bad. It was about a 30-minute drive, and we were able to use Marriott points, so far so good. So quick update, our room's not ready yet. Well, you know, not surprised because it's 7:30 in the morning. So we're gonna go change our clothes and get ready to go to the water park. Well, might get some breakfast first. We're a little hungry. Walk around the boardwalk. Beautiful morning after breakfast. There's our hotel over there, staying at the Dolphin. There we go, now I have my act together. It was hard to juggle coffee and my camera and focusing and all that fun stuff. So, taking a walk over to, we're going to the Beach Club Hotel. Yes. Anyway. We're going to catch the shuttle over to Typhoon Lagoon to meet up with John Paul's family. Ready for a day at the park. Well, water park. Ready for a day at the water park to relax. Gonna nap in the lazy river. You gonna nap in the lazy river?
Absolutely.
Yes. And it's gonna be a great day. So just to clarify, we could take the shuttle from our hotel because it is technically a Disney resort. However, we decided to take the walk, going over to the beach club, to catch the bus there. Camp Anna hot tip, make sure you have some sort of a mini toiletry kit in your bag if you're doing an overnight flight like that. Some mouthwash, some face wipes, just something to kind of refresh yourself a little bit, because more than likely you're going to get off your plane and you're going to want to go enjoy the day, and you're not going to want to waste your time. Well, not that it's a waste of time, but going home to take a nap or to get ready. So if you can get ready at the airport or even on the plane in the bathroom, if you can, even better. So make sure you have that with you. So we made it in. We're in Typhoon Lagoon, and we managed to find some shady chairs for everybody in the family. We had to find 6, which is a tall order, but back here we found them. Let me see if I can. Here we go behind me. Yes. So I'm standing guard while John Paul goes to find our family, because we're pretty far back into the park. So Camp Anna tip number 2, you can reserve spots here at Typhoon Lagoon. There are certain areas you can reserve ahead of time, and they're in the shade, and they're really nice, because there were a couple times we went up, we're like, oh great, a shady spot. Oh, nope, that's reserved. Just kidding. So especially when you have a big party like we do, a party of 6, it's probably good to do that ahead of time. But we found a spot, we're good to go, we're near water slides, you can hear the typhoon going off in the background. Yeah, so here's to a great day at Typhoon Lagoon. Kimberly.
And the staff at the ice cream, at the Happy Landings ice cream station. Yes.
Thank you very much. We're getting ready to enjoy this monster. Actually, Kristen, take a taste. Be the inaugural taste tester.
Yay. Okay. Sorry. I
I want to listen to it.
No, it's fine. I didn't realize she was filming. It was totally fine.
Phew. So we are back at the loading zone here at Typhoon Lagoon. We had a wonderful day. A little bit of a thunderstorm delay, so a little bit of time was taken away from us, but not too much. So we still had a wonderful time. We had a bucket of ice cream and did all the slides, and in the wave pool, I was a little bit of a chicken in the wave pool because I stayed back a little bit, but John Paul and both my sisters-in-law were like up in the action. But we had so much fun, so we're getting ready to go back to the hotel, and just got a text that our room is ready. That's great. And we are gonna go get ready for dinner tonight. We're going to the Hoop-de-Doo review over at the Wilderness Lodge. It's gonna be awesome. Phew, it's been a whirlwind. But we made it here to the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds. We're going to the Hoop-de-Doo review. We're so excited. It's gonna be great. The food's gonna be amazing. Camp Anna hot tip number 3. Buses that leave resorts going to parks, pretty reliable. They run on schedule, run like clockwork. When you're trying to get from the park or the parks back to the resorts, you gotta allow a little extra time. We were a little crunched. We actually had to call an Uber instead, and we made it here and we're fine, but just allow for a little extra time, especially with the bigger group. That lighting is atrocious. That's okay. I just sat down, we ate some salad, there's my mother-in-law. Hello.
We drank some sangria.
And I am glowing. Here we go. Getting ready for the show to start. So we're home from the Hoop-de-Doo review. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did. Definitely has Camp Anna seal of approval, and especially for bigger parties of people or your family, just people of all ages. It's so much fun. But we're back. We're exhausted, but we had a wonderful day, and I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of Camp Anna on Vacation Walt Disney World Edition. And stay tuned tomorrow. We've got day 2 is Epcot, so it's going to be amazing. So thank you guys again, and we'll see you in the next video.